Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for joining us. Today we are talking about self-portraits. Let's get into it. So we've got a 2-light setup going on. We have the Interfit S100 with a octabox on and a grid. This stops any light spillage. We've simply got a nice black background and another flash with a strip box on, again with the grid on to stop any spillage onto the actual background itself. So this is the camera setup. We are at 100mm. We have the Interfit trigger. That'll trigger that and that. Now, how do I trigger the camera when I'm sitting there? What I have here connected into the trigger port itself is a pebble system. I have a wireless trigger. I literally press the button just like a camera shutter, and there you go. So what about focusing? Now, I'm using the mirrorless Canon EOS-R here, and this does have eye detection, so it is very good for using with the shutter button. It will detect my eye, it will focus, no problem. But if you don't have that, I do suggest that you set something like this up. I've put this where I was sitting. And basically, you put this roughly where your head's going, and then you set the focus manually. And once you've got your focus, you lock it off, so you turn it into manual focus so that focus doesn't shift. And then remove that, sit there, and the focus will be the same every shot. So that's the setup. How do we get to the correct exposure? Well, we do that one light at a time. First of all, we take a picture, and these lights at the moment are switched off. So I take the picture, and I hope we get a black background like that. So, turning just that one light on for now, I take a pose. Now, if you notice, only that light went off. Let's have a look what that did for us. Now, I do like that. It's quite subtle. Just gives me a little bit of separation from the background and a little bit of form, so you don't look 2D, you look 3D. Now, we are talking about this one here. So it's time to turn it on. Whoa! That was quite powerful, and as you can see, I'm completely blown out. So, that was at full power, so I'm going to go to about halfway. Now, I like that, that's really nice. So all you have to do now is make some shapes. Let's do that. I'm no model, but you know, all for you. Basically, have a little bit of fun doing it. But yeah, for now, I think that's all we need to show you. Hope you've liked this video, hope you've learned something, and we will see you in the next one. Please like, subscribe, and comment below what you would like to see in the future. And yeah, bye for now.